Israel is Beautiful welcomes you back to our second visit to Akko. Akko is striving to be a model of coexistence. It's 30% Muslim, about 60% Jewish, and the other 10% a mixture of Greek Orthodox, Catholics, and Baha'i. We are headed into the Al-Jazzar Mosque, one of the largest mosques in Israel today. It also has one of the most famous shuks, or open-air markets, in all of Israel. Almost everyone knows about the famous Baha'i gardens in Haifa, but did you know that there are also Baha'i gardens in Akko? We have one more stop, because you can't go to Akko without talking about Napoleon. Israel is beautiful.